H.E.L.P. Inc. is a nonprofit founded by Dr. Michel Brutus 23 years ago in Croix-de-Bouquet, Haiti. H.E.L.P. stands for Health, Education, Learning Resources Projects. Being a medical doctor, providing healthcare is great interest to Michel Brutus. The health clinic at H.E.L.P. Inc. provides basic services such as vaccinations for all the students in the school. It also provides specialized care in OBGYN, pediatrics, surgery, internal medicine, eye care, dental care, dermatology, and orthopedics. Before the earthquake, the clinic at H.E.L.P. Inc. saw about 300 patients every day and delivered over 100 babies every year. The earthquake damaged about 90% of the clinic's infrastructure. Dr. Brutus has plans to rebuild the clinic on land that he owns. This land has been donated to 30 families since the earthquake to provide temporary housing for them. This land will soon be vacated, making it possible to rebuild the hospital. Education is the next focus of H.E.L.P. Inc. They recently rebuilt their school with assistance from Food for the Poor. H.E.L.P. Inc. teaches almost 300 students and provides them with 2 meals every day. H.E.L.P. Inc. provides learning resources to its students and the surrounding community. These resources include the library shown here, as well as computer classrooms, which will be very helpful for technology courses and upcoming courses in aquaponics. Physical education, recreation, and competition are important parts of any child's life. Here, students of H.E.L.P. Inc. can be seen playing soccer on the adjacent athletic field. On this particular day, the children got a treat, being visited by Haitian musician Mona Augustin. The students can be seen gathered around Mona, listening to some of his original music, heard here. Projects such as Feed Haiti are also an important component of H.E.L.P. Inc. Feed Haiti is a partnership between H.E.L.P. Inc. and nonprofit Yon Sel Lanmou, which was founded by Dr. Greg Cronin 2 years ago. Dr. Cronin is an applied ecologist from the University of Colorado who specializes in aquaponic technology. Aquaponics is a new, exciting technology that grows fish and vegetables together in a synergistic manner, releasing no nutrients, no pesticides, or any other pollution into the environment. Feed Haiti would raise about 1 million pounds of food every year in a 60,000 gallon system that consists of 3 fish tanks and 8 plant beds. In addition to growing food, Feed Haiti would provide jobs in the surrounding community and attract visitors from around the world who would come to the facility to learn how to construct aquaponics systems of their own. Thank you for taking the time to learn a little bit more about the exciting activities taking place at H.E.L.P. Inc.